Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out the FerraMonster UrbanGrip. Before I get into the UrbanGrip, I wanted to give a huge shout out to my channel members, my anchor crew. I couldn't do this without you, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. And if you'd like to join the anchor crew, you'll get early access to videos and to members only giveaways, and it's $4 a month. Right off the bat with the UrbanGrip, you can see that visually this is a very appealing knife. It is a very nice shape, it is long, and I think that the black and green carbon fiber just really makes it pop. Yeah, just look at that. Awesome. The matte black on here combined with the green carbon fiber is just absolutely stunning. In hand, the UrbanGrip is a big knife. Now, I'm a huge fan of medium to large size knives, and I would say this is a large to extra large sized blade. You can see for my large hand that there is room for XL and double XL size hands. There we go. Let's dive into some quick specs on the UrbanGrip. We have an overall length of 8.4 inches, a blade length of 3.67 inches, we have a handle length of 3.65 inches, a handle thickness of 0.51 inches, a blade thickness of 12 thousandths, an overall weight of 3.83 ounces. The blade rides on caged ceramic ball bearings. It is a frame lock and has excellent lockup. The blade is constructed of Bowler M390 steel. It has a sharpening choil, and as you can see here, the plunge grind is about halfway between that sharpening choil. There is jimping on the back of the blade. It is a full flat grind, and it is a black matte PVD finish. The M390 is finished off at a hardness of 60 to 62 HRC. The handle is constructed of 6AL 4V titanium with carbon fiber inlays. Operating method for the UrbanGrip is a front flipper, and it works extremely well. It has a titanium pocket clip, and it is right hand tip up carry only. This is what the UrbanGrip looks like in the pocket. Size comparisons with the UrbanGrip. First up, we have the Hogue Deca. And as you can see here, the UrbanGrip is substantially larger than the Deca. Next comparison is the Bridgeport Bodie LL. And as you can see here, the FerraMonster is quite a bit larger than the Bodie. Next up, we have the Asher Knives Spiro in silver carbon fiber twill, and as you can see, the UrbanGrip is substantially larger than the Spiro. And last but not least is the Artisan Cutlery Revel designed by Ray Laconico. And even though the Laconico is an extra large size knife, you can clearly see the UrbanGrip still has a distinct advantage in size. Let me show you an all-around 360 of this. Perfect centering, beautiful milling on the titanium, very nice backspacer on here, and again, just the stunning black on green carbon fiber. Awesome. Now, after carrying the UrbanGrip and its smaller brother, the Glideman, over the last, I would say, 4 or 5 months, they've really grown on me. Now, I use the UrbanGrip primarily as a gentleman's knife because it does have a thin profile, but I like it that it's a long and sleek tool, making it very easy to carry. I truly have not found any drawbacks with this knife. And if it was just a little bit smaller, I believe I would carry it on more of a daily basis. But because it is extra large, it doesn't see as much pocket time as its smaller brethren, the Glideman. If you're in the market for a new pocket knife and want to check out FerraMonster knives, don't hesitate to use code DARKWATER to save you 10%, and the discounts are stackable. There's also a third version called the Aurora Rays, which I hear is absolutely outstanding. Thank you for spending time with me here today checking out the UrbanGrip. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you pick up an UrbanGrip? If so, what color would you get? Or if you have any experience with FerraMonster, let me know what you have. Thank you again for spending time with me today. Have a good one.